Hello, everybody. My name is Yerlan Nusipov. I teach at Kazakh Medical University of Continuing Education. I want to talk about violation in the immune system. In this part, I will remind you of structure of immune system, its function. What is the immune system? Our immune system is our body defense against infection and other harmful invaders. Without it, you would constantly get sick from bacteria or viruses. Our immune system is made up of special cells, tissues, and organs that work together to protect you. The immune system is divided into innate and acquired, in other words, adaptive. Innate immunity is natural, unchanged, that is immune given to from birth, formed at the genetic level and developed phylogenetically. This is ability of the immune system to distinguish parts of foreign molecules without additional setting. Right away, using digital terminology, the immune system distinguish a portion of foreign molecules by default. It can be just molecules of bacterial or viruses membranes, etc. It is first line of defense, physical barriers. Innate immunity recognizes many foreign molecules in a quick time. Immune response from 0 to 4 hours occurs with the invasion of foreign elements. Also, innate immunity is non-specific. Innate immunity as well as acquired have two components, humoral and cellular. Humoral is the effect of immune active substance that are dissolved in blood plasma. Consider the three most significant components of the humoral components of innate immune system: lysozyme, interferons, and the complement system. Lysozyme is an enzyme that attacks the cell's wall of bacteria. They recognize the polysaccharide wall structure of bacteria. By damaging the wall of the bacterium, they damage the bacterium as a whole. Lysozymes is secreted in place where the body comes in contact with the environmental, in saliva, in the mucous membrane of the nasopharynx, the mucous membrane of gastrointestinal tract, the lacrimal fluid, and breast milk. It should be noted that the components of the immune system that fight bacteria and that fight viruses usually almost don't coincide. They are different areas. Interferons are proteins that secreted by infected cells when the virus has already entered the cells. Interferons block the replication of the virus, affecting the ribosomes, reducing the activity of their work, thereby delaying the development and growth of the viruses. The complement system is a group of proteins circulating in blood plasma. They are able to attack mainly bacteria. This is a system of proteolytic enzymes. Proteins are activated, forming an enzymatic complex with proteolytic activity. Proteins of the complement system form pores in the membranes of target cells. The cellular components of the innate immune system consist mainly of leukocytes, phagocytes, blood granulocytes, tissue macrophages, natural killers. If we consider blood cells, then the phagocytes belong to granulocytes, macrophages to agranulocytes. Phagocytes, blood granulocytes, zero include neutrophils, eosinophils, basophils. Tissue macrophages are found every organ and tissue. Natural killers, they identify cells infected with virus. More precisely, the molecules on the membranes of cells infected with the virus they recognize and then destroy the cells. They are the main components of humoral and cellular innate immunity. The immune system has no way to clean the cells of the virus. If the cells infected with the virus, then the cells must be killed. The world is diverse and rapidly changing. Innate immunity cannot provide security, and therefore acquired immunity arises. In other words, adaptive immunity. Like innate immunity, adaptive immunity have two components, humoral and cellular. Antibodies are referred to humoral components as acquired immunity. The cell's components including B leukocytes and T leukocytes. Adaptive immunity is not present from birth. This immunity is acquired. The process of learning immunity begins at the first invasion of foreign molecules into the body, in which innate immunity defenses don't recognize. Then the elements of adaptive immunity develops. The best way to attack foreign proteins, produce special antibody and memory molecules of these proteins. After the first contact with a new pathogen, the development of adaptive immunity takes time, about 10-14 days. However, after this antigen is remembered and the subsequent responses of this antigen develops faster and more efficiently. The main tools of adaptive immunity is antibodies. Gamma globulins. Their main task is to stick to foreign molecules. Using antibodies, phagocytes can recognize the foreign molecules and attack it. Antibodies also activate the complement system. Thus, our immune system is two components. From birth, we are given by default is non-specific innate component. Then throughout life, as new foreign proteins enter the body, adaptive specific immunity develops. This was a brief overview of the structure of immune system. Thank you for attention. See you.